Hey friends, it's day 2 of my 20-day data journey, and today I went head to head with cleaning messy Excel data. I'll be showing you what I did in my video. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. So this is my data set. It's a coffee data set consisting of 3 spreadsheets: orders sheets, customers sheets, and products sheet. I made a copy of the order sheet, which is my fact table, the one I'll be working with, and I renamed it. Then I converted my sheets to table. I converted the 3 sheets to tables and renamed the tables. I sorted the date from oldest to newest just so that it would look nice. Then I started filling in my order sheet, the clean sheet, with VLOOKUP. Honestly, this VLOOKUP was easy for me because I didn't have to start flash filling because I converted the sheets to table, so it just did flash fill for me. So all I just needed to do was to go to my customer sheet and look for the information I wanted to get in my clean sheet. Which is my order sheet, so I used the VLOOKUP function. The only thing I did was to just change the lookup values. I just had to copy the formula and then change the lookup values and the column index number. It made it faster. It's made it faster than typing all over again. So I just copied it, pasted it, changed the lookup value and the column index number, and it went well. I really enjoyed cleaning this data. I had ups and downs, which I'll be sharing in this video. So I finished everything, and I noticed that there was a column for sales, but there was no data to be imported from anywhere. So I figured I was to calculate for it, which I did, and then got it. Now after using my VLOOKUP, I just checked for any other information I would like to move to my clean sheet. There was nothing. So the next thing I did was to remove duplicates and to also remove blanks. This is me now looking for fit column width, auto fit column width. I was trying to expand my table. I was trying to make everything, and I kept looking and like I said, I wasn't going to hide anything. All my mistakes, everything, you're all going to see it. You're going to see everything. After that, I later saw it in the sales tab. Then next thing I did was to just filter and check for any other information I needed to correct. This is me trying to use the find and replace. It was really giving me a tough time because I was working on a column that had formula. So when I realized that it had formula, another mistake, I had to copy and paste as values. So all the columns I worked on that had formula, that had the VLOOKUP formula, I copied them, then I just pasted them again as values. That way I figured I'll be able to perform my find and replace very well. So yeah. Now in this particular column, I noticed that there were abbreviations. The words were abbreviated, and this is a coffee data set. So added information to the data were the names of the coffee, and this column contained the name. So I just decided to type it out manually and flash fill. Then for the roast type, the 3 different roast types. It was supposed to be dark, light and medium, but in this video I made a mistake. I used large. Now something happened here in this video. I tried using find and replace and it was tough for me because I don't really know what happened. So I figured I still haven't gotten the hang of find and replace. I still don't understand it well because everything just disappeared. So I just had to like type it manually. I had to just do the same thing I did for the coffee types. So I started typing it manually. I didn't want the video to be so long. So I just typed the name. It was supposed to be dark, light and medium. So yeah, this is another error when it comes to cleaning data. And yeah, after everything I was able to correct it, although not in this video. So this is just me checking for any other thing I would like to do. Then I started changing the data types. I realized changing the data types will make it easier for you to understand the data, doing analysis. It will be easier for you to perform calculations when necessary and all that. So I changed the data types to text, to currency, to just numbers, according to how I understood my data. So yeah, this is me checking, and no formula on any of the rows or column. So I was just checking for any other information I would like to add. Then I saw one, loyalty card. I was like, this would be nice, you know, checking the customers that are loyal and the ones that are not loyal. How many customers are still loyal? How many customers are no longer loyal? So I just used the VLOOKUP function again to move it to my clean sheet, and I had to copy and paste as values. Copying and pasting as value definitely will automatically remove the formula. So I saw something else, city, and I was trying to move it to my clean sheet. And something happened. I don't really know what happened. I kept trying and trying, but I just had to like leave it. It wasn't working. The function, after putting in the VLOOKUP function and all that, it wasn't just working. I was confused. I didn't know what was wrong. I cross-checked to ensure that I wasn't doing anything wrong, but I really couldn't figure it out. So I just had to delete it and move on. After making this video, I had to sit down again and look at it, try to figure it out as data analyst, and I was able to figure it out. Alright, so this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Today reminded me that data analysts spend more time preparing data than analyzing it, and that's okay. If you're on your own journey, if you're on your own data journey, follow along. Let's get better. See you in my next video. That'll be all for now. Bye.